Hi, I'm Meyers, osteopath, author, and the founder of the Reaset Approach, an integral, comprehensive, and effective treatment modality that ensures better and faster patient outcomes. An approach that I can teach you in 4 days. Yes, 4 days is all it takes for me to take you and your skills to the next level with this novel and innovative hands-on treatment method that is revolutionizing manual therapy. But you may be wondering why you should invest your precious time away from your practice to learn this novel approach. That is truly a valid question, and it all comes down to one thing: to be able to give the best care to your patients. In this fast-changing world, a dramatic and wide-reaching change is needed in the way patients are treated because the nature and cause of their pain and suffering over the past 3 to 5 years has changed. This is a global phenomenon, but a local problem to solve. A problem that has all to do with the speed our world is changing with and the challenges that come with it. And the solution for this growing problem is you. So what has changed is that the health problems your patients come with have become more complex and multimodal. That is, that more and more patients who are suffering from neck, shoulder, or back pain are now, on top of the musculoskeletal problems, are also suffering or coming with a wide range of other health problems, sometimes all together, like insomnia, headaches, stress, anxiety, depression, cognitive decline, emotional instability, mood swings, and more often than not, without apparent cause. Like one day, it was just there. Most therapists have not been taught how to treat these idiopathic and plurisymptomatic conditions and treat them like any other problem, that is to say, disease by disease or symptom by symptom. And in fact, research is pointing out that this is actually counterproductive, doing more harm to patients than good, as these multimodal disorders are all related to and caused by one condition: stress-related dysautonomia, a condition that can't be fixed with medication or routine care. To be able to give the best possible care, a profound change is needed in how you and therapists in general see health and approach healing. During the Reset Approach workshop, you will be trained during 4 days in this new way of working and guided to let go of some old belief systems and create new ones, because the health problems of today and tomorrow cannot be solved with the same level of thinking that created them. The Reset Approach treats stress-related dysautonomia, but it's not just another technique. It is a concept that builds on your knowledge and skills and will revolutionize the way you treat your patients, with amazing results straight away as a result, and this in a wide range of health problems that your patients seek your help for. But the question you need to ask yourself right now is, are you ready to take yourself and your skills to the next level? Do you want to be a forerunner in your field and treat these new conditions? Do you want to be able to have amazing patient results? If you say yes to all of these, then don't wait for it to be too late and go to the website, theresetapproach.com, and register for the next workshop near you to take yourself and your skills to the next level. Your patients will thank you for it.